In a village, a husband and wife saw 3 old men sitting outside their house. They were sitting there for quite a while. The wife went outside and said, "We don't know you, but we saw that you were sitting here for long. You must be hungry. Please come inside and have some food with my husband and I." They replied, "We do not go inside a house together." When she asked why, one of the old men explained, "His name is Wealth. If he goes with you, your home will be filled with wealth always. And he is success. If he goes with you, you will always be successful. And I am love. If I go with you, then your home will be filled with love always." Then he told her to discuss it with her husband, which one of them they want in their home. Her husband was overjoyed hearing about it and said, "Let's invite Wealth." The wife said, "Why don't we invite Success?" After some discussions, the wife came back to them and said, "Which one of you is Love? Please come in and be our guest." Love got up and started walking toward the house. Just then the 2 also got up and started following him. The woman asked, "You said you cannot come together. Why are you all coming in?" The old man replied, "If you had invited Wealth or Success, then the other 2 would have stayed outside. But since you invite Love wherever he goes, we go with him." Moral: wherever there is love, then wealth and success will follow.